So we're going green with this pink-haired lady who's here with us this morning, creative director behind the Day collection, sandals made with the environment in mind, and also a whole lot of fashion, I might add. Deborah Edwards is her name. Upcycling her game. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Thank you for having me. Congratulations on the collection, which you said you birthed about 2 months ago, really?
Well, I conceptualized it in April, and yes, I would say around 2 months ago, September 26th to be exact, was when I launched.
Have you always been a creative mind?
Oh yeah, for sure. I've always been creative mind and into fashion.
Yeah. So the last couple of years that I've seen you studying where?
Well, most recently it would have been at FIT.
Yeah, so
I
it's
did
a Fashion
design
Institute
course
of
technology.
Of technology
in New York.
In New York,
right?
And then you later worked in fashion merchandising. Tell me about that journey.
I was doing fashion merchandising, online for fashion merchandising, in New York. And then most recently, I moved back to Jamaica.
So the fashion merchandising is like the styling and the...
Yeah, I also did styling, but yes, it's the marketing of the product.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So you came back home.
Yeah.
You had special reason to come back home.
Yes, I did. Unfortunately, I had a death in the family, but there were places to be. I'm in paradise. So, yeah.
Okay. So tell me about why you decided you wanted to go this route with the line.
Well, I knew I wanted to get back into fashion, but in getting back into fashion, I knew I didn't want to add to a lot of the pollution that is happening. So I was like, how do I do this? And I thought, you know what? Repurposed materials is the way to go. There's so much of it, so why not let's use it and turn it into something beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you went literally like into warehouses, and I mean, where did you find the stuff?
I sourced from different places, mostly locally, but yeah, like for example, this is our South Sound, which is an ode to Cayman.
Which, let's show what you're talking about. This part or the base?
Right here, the bottom of it.
Right.
I found in a warehouse in Waterhouse, and it was sitting there forever.
Yeah.
So instead of going to a landfill, why not let's use it for something,
That's amazing.
beautiful.
I mean, and this stuff is just sitting around all over the place.
Yeah,
So it's the stuff that people would have used, and what's left?
Scraps. Again, this is a sand sushi. This was a scrap.
This part of it?
Yes, that was scraps, and I turned it into something nice, I think. And this is our bestseller.
Yes.
This is our bestseller.
I'm not
and this is actually scrapped goat skin. So, yeah, exactly.
What?
Right. So imagine how much goat we eat here in Jamaica.
A bit.
And people just throw it away.
Here, a bit.
You know what I mean?
So,
word. Yeah, use it and make a sandal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So for the folks who are looking at this and looking at the line, what do they need to know about the line outside of the outsourcing? Clearly, it's very fashionable.
Right.
Comfortable?
Yes,
Yeah.
comfortable.
All
People tell me that it's pretty comfortable. Mostly leather. The bottom is not, but yes, leather upper and sole for sure.
Yeah, because you know Jamaica is sandals/slippers country. So how do you ensure that your designs are different from what else is out there, original and unique?
Well, yeah, I try to keep it original, and it really depends on what inspires me at the end of the day. And when I try to design, I try to keep in mind that I'm using certain scraps, so I have to use it and make sure that it's zero waste.
Yeah. Sparingly.
So I have to keep that in mind.
Okay, so you've got the pointed toe,
Yeah.
you've got the diagonal, and what have I missed?
And you've
you've
also
this
missed
one, which I
right,
love.
which is the South Sound
I love
and
this one.
Cayman.
Yeah. Okay, so where do we go to patronize? Are you where's your
We
stuff?
are online at daycollection.com, and you can find us on IG at dae.collection.
Okay, Day Collection, that's daecollection.com, or online at Instagram?
Day Collection.
Day Collection.
Yeah.
All right, local business, local individual, young lady, young entrepreneur, you know what I say, go out and support these fantastic sandals. Deborah Edwards, founder of Day Collection. Thank you very much for being here with us this morning. Love your pink hair.
Thank you.
And from fashion, we go to entertainment. It's time for Roll Out.